Hi everyone, welcome to AA's Steam Series, and I'm Arian. Today it was freezing cold outside. It was -10, but it feels like -20, and it snowed all day long. So now I thought, why not make an experiment on snow? So I have a question for you. Does 10 feet of snow and 10 feet of water the same? But before that, let me explain about the water on our planet. Did you know that 71% of the earth is water? But guess what? Only 3% of it you can drink. But what happened to the other 97%? Well, that is called salt water, which mainly comes from the ocean, which you do not want to drink. I'm telling you, if you drink it, you're going to get pretty sick, and I don't want to get sick, so you can keep watching my video. Okay, but where do you get the other 3%? It's not from the oceans, because you know that that's going to be salty. Ew, nobody wants salty water. Okay, but there is some more places. One is rivers and lakes. Why not? Have you ever thought about underground? Whoa, mind blown! Water from underground. And this is surely gonna shock you. You can get water from the atmosphere. And these are the two ways: snow and rain. Well, it's easy to collect rain. Just keep a glass out and ta-da! You get water because rain is basically water. But what are you gonna do with snow? I'm gonna show you an experiment to prove you that 10 feet of snow will not be the same. It's actually going to be less. And I'll tell you the science behind it at the end of the video, so stick around to find out. For this experiment, you'll need 3 mason jars, and this is why I like them. So they'll usually always have a marking, so if I fill all of them, so you'll need 3 of them. So if you fill the water up here, the loosely packed snow and the tightly packed snow to the same level, it's going to be pretty handy. Or all you could do is just take some cups, grab a marker and a ruler, draw a line, and make sure it's the same level, and then ta-da! For now, we're going to get out into the cold. Let's go! Wow guys, isn't this a shocking result? So this is the one with the water, and this is up to 16 ounce, or we don't really call it ounce, I just keep it as a level. Okay, so this we can call the control. And this one is the one with the loosely packed snow. So as you can see, it was up here, all the way up here, and then came all the way down here. Less than 2 ounces. Okay, so let's mark that. Let's see. Mark it right here. It's right up till there. Okay, this is the one with the tightly packed snow. As you can see, this is slightly a bit more the other one. So let's see, this one happens to be exactly at the level where it says 4 ounces. So let's just do that and there. So as you can see, the one with the tightly packed snow has teensy bit more water. And I'm just going to show you the mark right there. And this one. And obviously you can see this one because, well, yeah, it's all the way up till normal level. So let's just move this away because we know this is supposed to be like that. It's the control. Now let's look at these two. So this one is slightly higher because it was tightly packed. It all weighs, and water freezes, it expands. So when it expands, there'll be more space in between the molecules. Even though it's so tightly packed, there's still more space between the ice molecules. As you can see, there's a little bit more in there, but that's fine. And the water molecules, like this. So when it melts, there'll definitely be less water than there was before. But this one was loosely packed. So obviously this one will be less because there's more space between the atoms and it wasn't even pushed in. So this is a pretty cool experiment. If you have some snow nearby, well, good thing. Grab some glasses and make some marks and just wait. And I hope you saw the time lapse because when you see it, try doing it yourself. It's gonna look so cool. It just slowly melts. And how it starts from here, it goes all the way down there. That's the most shocking thing. So yeah guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video or learned a lot more. Stay tuned because I'm going to do some out of the world videos from now on. And yeah, that's going to be it for today. And I mean literally out of this world. So see you later. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like either. Share with your friends. Goodbye.